While I'm brewing coffee and preparing the first beat, my thoughts are already with the piece. East German Fragilities Lustful Violence is a lecture performance where Mike revisits their childhood in 1990s East Germany, a time shaped by pop culture, fragile masculinity, and the presence of right-wing violence. For me, the challenge is to translate those memories into sound. Together, we dig into the sound of a generation. We listen back to tracks that played at parties in our youth, echoes of the East. These become raw material, reimagined and transformed for today. I am on my way to pick up Mike to go to Dresden-Hellerau, where we're going to further develop the lecture performance. And I'm super excited to see how it's going to go. Then it's time to head to Hellerau. 4 days of rehearsals in a space that itself carries history. We unload the gear, set up, and slowly fill the empty hall with voices and noise. Hey guys, good morning. I just got up and now I'm gonna prepare the first stuff for the first part. I have to do some soundscapes. So I'm gonna set up my studio.
An der Elster, MFG, euer sogenanntes Hinterland. Lass uns die Nazi quatschen. Ja, du hast Eier.
So the first day of rehearsal with Mike is over. And yeah, we got done a lot, but it was super fucking exhausting. That's why I went for a walk now into the Dresdner Heide to recharge. So yeah, see you tomorrow. I just finished today the final touches for the 3 parts for the performance. I woke up at 6 because a fucking mosquito was trying to kill me. And I'm really excited to go to the full run rehearsal in a bit. It's gonna be the first time for me being FOH position. Yeah. So yeah, just chilling a little bit more and then let's go. So that's where we're gonna be playing at Kleiner Saal, small stage, Hellerau. Yeehaw! The work is intense. Mike recalls growing up between aggression and fear, between silence and absent role models. On stage, these fragments become performance, somewhere between rap and drag, between power poses and moments of powerlessness.
Klein war, super klein war, hab ich eine Hand gesucht, hab ich meine Hand gesucht, zum Festhalten, zum Schritt halten.
So we finished rehearsals today. We were on the big stage and I was first time front of house and went super good. I'm so impressed how much we already got done, and because there's not a lot of time for this production, unfortunately, but I'd say we're doing fucking good. So yeah, for this week we're pretty much done. We're maybe gonna go and see a dance show tonight at Hellerau, and tomorrow I'm going back home for the weekend. So yeah, see you later. In the breaks, I need the forest, the quiet outside. It's a counterweight to the heaviness we're working through inside. Rehearsals mix with everyday life, sound checks, late night notes, even cooking for the team. Good morning, guys. So it's Saturday, the last day of the first block of rehearsals, so I'm back in the studio doing some last final touches to the mixes, corrections I noticed I have to do. And then it's off to go home. And yeah, yesterday we also saw a really nice dance performance. It was about rave in the 90s. It was really interesting. Fortunately, I couldn't take any pictures or take you with me, but it was super sick. So if you ever should be around Hellerau or Dresden, you should definitely check their program out. We keep fine-tuning the voices, the noise layers, the transitions. Every run-through, the piece reshapes itself, pulling together all the fragments of memory.
Wenn ihr so darüber nachdenkt, dann seid ihr denen verdammt dankbar. Denn hätten sie sich nicht in die erste Reihe gestellt, hättet ihr euch nicht in die zweite stellen können.
Morning guys, I'm here back in the studio. Today we got the last rehearsal before the general rehearsal tomorrow. So I'm here to fix up some last things, to rearrange the voices and the first piece, and also to add some distortion and glitchy kind of sounds to the rap track to fit the overall mood of the piece. So yeah, let's do this. Enough, guys. Hi, I'm back. It's Friday today, the last day before the show tomorrow. So we will have our general final rehearsal tonight. And right now I'm actually already starting to edit the behind the scenes video for you guys. So yeah, I already got 40 minutes of material, or 50 minutes. Let's see how much I can get it down to for you. If you've been watching my other videos, you probably might know that I love Colombia and that I've spent a lot of time there. So today I decided to cook a Colombian dish for the team. So, and listening some salsa. Yay, it's fucking delicious. I hope you like lentils.
Wenn du zurückschlagen könntest, würdest du es tun? Wenn Gewalt für dich eine Lösung wäre, würdest du es tun? Wenn du der Überzahl wärst, würdest du es dann tun?
So it's premiere day and we just finished the last rehearsal. So yeah, I'm going to have dinner with my mom and then it's showtime. Then it's showtime. Mike appears as a figure who is both past and present. between Henry Maske, Kids Wargames and drag performance, they tried to claim a different perspective on East German masculinities.
Zu sagen, Go West, verkleideten sich als Westler, erkannten einander trotzdem wieder.
Man sieht mir an, dass ich ein leichtes Opfer bin. Ich muss warten, bis ich hier weg kann. Du hast Angst, wenn du die Straße langläufst. Du hast Angst, wenn du beim Konsum einkaufst.
This is the glory of artistic life, you know?
Carrying your own shit!
And then carrying the fucking shit.
But also flowers.
Yes, true. Flowers and a bit of champagne. But like, you know, cheap champagne from Ostdeutschland.
Hey guys, so it's the last day for me here in Hellerau and I'm just packing up my stuff. So yeah, the premiere went super good and unfortunately until now we don't have more dates to play it or to show it, but that's okay. Sometimes you just have the chance to show something once, but the feedback was very good and I had such a great time last night. But I'm also really looking forward to go home now. After 4 days, what remains is the sense that we created something unrepeatable. The piece might not return, but its echo stays with us, and I'm ready to go home.